Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray. Information has been told that the Ethiopian government and private banks in Dessie has been transferred to Addis Ababa. And viewers, it is being reported that the Tigray Defense Forces have taken Dessie, the largest city in the South Wollo zone of the Amhara region. Heavy fighting between Ethiopian and Tigrayan forces has also been reported around Chifra. Viewers, different and unconfirmed news are coming from Dessie town in the center of Wollo region of Amhara region. Some news are saying that the Tigray army has entered Lana. They took over the city of Dessie. On the other hand, I am telling that there was a heavy war between the Ethiopian military and the Amhara were both army. According to the central commander of Tigray Defense Force who has handled Dessie town, the city of Wollo zone in Amhara region, the Tigrayan army has succeeded to break and destroy the 5 batch of the Ethiopian Army Security Forces of the Ethiopian Army, and also the 5 leg of the Amhara army of Tigray Defense Force. And they also destroyed the military department of Ethiopia and Eritrea. They destroyed a tank of tanks in the Ethiopian army. The Tigrayan army has held a war last night in Dessie while the Ethiopian army and escaped from him. The Tigrayan army has produced a heavy load in Amhara region to take over Gondar. Interesting news from the central commander of Tigray Defense Force from the Ethiopian war. The central commander of the Tigrayan Defense Forces has announced that from September 14 to October 17, Tigray Defense Force has taken successfully military operation against Ethiopian army and Fano army, who were killed in 895 and 5,660 injured and thousands of prisoners were arrested, including different weapons which were fired. Tigray Defense Force took over Dessie cities and killed and injured 110 fighters. There was another operation in Dessie and Kombolcha. From 15 to 16 October, the Tigrayan army took over Vekel, which is a strategic place in the south. The second part of this war has been destroyed in Uralu, Tangyu and the blackness of the place. Tigray Defense Force killed 115 and injured 110. Tigray Defense Force troops also opposite the Ethiopian National Defense Force attack on Chifra. More than 1,500 soldiers killed and 2,000 injured this week. The Tigrayan army destroyed 18 cars and gun stores and also cut a lot of weapons and simple guns. They also took over the occupation of Chifra city, which the 4 and Eritrean used to use military base for Ethiopia. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
ስምህ ማን ነው? ከየት ነው የመጣህ ብለህ ጠይቀው። ልሱ ቦርም ለልጁ አብዲ የሰራ ድፍቴ ገንደከፍ እድሜ ስንት ነው? ወጋን ገሜ ከዛ ወጋ ኩረሸንታታ ስንት ሆነ እዚህ ከመጣህ? አገር ውስጥ ያገም ትርት ድምጽ ግን አይሰማም። ከፈል ማንሽ ልጅ ጂያ ተቆብልቲ ኩረሸን ትርት ምን ለማድረግ ነው ወደ መከላከያ ተቀላቀልከው? ምን ለመሆን ነው ወደ መከላከያ ተቀላቀልከው? እንዴት ነው የተቀላቀልከው? አከምቲ መከላከያ ግልግል ገንታታ ይሰልች በግድ ነው። በግድ ማለት እንዴት እስካብራራው? የት ያገኙህ? እንዴት ያዙህ? ምናምን አከምቲ ሲቀባኒ ግዳጅ የቹን አከም ግዲዳ አከምቲ ተተማልታቱ እሰራ ማሪ ፈስጌሰን አክማለ
Hojiin kee maal jedhanii as geessan?
Makiinaa irratti darbatanii. Daandii irratti jiru makiinaa irratti darbatan.
Daandii irratti. Makiinaa irraas fidanii?
Makiinaa irratti nu
daandii irraa qabanii makiina keessa kaa'an?
እና ከእድሜ በታች የሆኑ በግድ ያስገባሉ ማለት ነው? ማለት ይሄ 15 ነው አይደል?
15 ነው እድሜ
እኮ 15 18 ካልሞላ በግድ ያስገባሉ ማለት ነው ወደ መከላከያ?
በግድ ግዋዝ ከተቶ እኮ ነው ያስገባው። መንገድ ላይ ያለው በቃ ጁንታ ምናምን አገር ፍራሽ ስለገቡ አገር ላይ ቁጭ ብላችሁ መብላት አይቻልም ብሎ በግድ ጉታችሁ ስላስገባችሁ እንደዛ ብሎ ነው ያስገቡ አለ። በቃ እኛም ተመሳሳይ እንደዛ።
እስኪ ያጋጠመህ ነገር በምን ሁኔታ እንደተማረክ በኦሮምኛ ንገረን ብለህ በኦሮምኛ አስረዳ።
akkamitti yeroo gamana kana seentee mirqaati akkamitti giddiidhaan akkamitti mirqaati kana seentee waggaa baatu akkamiisin jechuudha jira. Bakka sagalee kee.
Wantoonni garagalee nan gahanis.
Hamma mana kanatti giddaa jedhan geettee jechuudha. ባብሉ ነገር እኔ ያቀን ተይዞ እስከ ዛሬ የመጣው በግዳ ያቀን ከመኪና አስገባ በኋላ እኔ ተመልሶ የተጠየቀ ሰው የለውም። በቃ ውጋ አስገባ ዝም ብሎ አንድ ወር ከ15 ቀን ስልጠና ትገባላችሁ ብሎ ማፍታትና ማግጣም ብቻ ይሄ እንዲህ ነው ብሎ በቃ ውጋ ግቡ ብሎ አስገባን። ከትላንት ወዳ ነው መጣ። ምንም በቃ በግዳጅ ነው እስካሁን መጣ እንጂ ወድጄ አይደለም ይላል።
ትክክ ዳንኪ። አሁን አንተ ተናገር። ቁጭ በል አንተ። ቦታ መሄድ ትላለህ። ስምህ ማን ነው?